Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another A2 level grammar lesson. We're continuing our discussion of prepositions of place. Here we're going to be talking about near, close to, far from, and beyond. So you're going to look at these images. So what can you say about the orange cube and the blue cylinder? And what can you say about the orange cube and the red pyramid? So think of some of the ways you could describe this with the prepositions you've learned so far. There can be several different ways that you could describe where these items are. So we could say the orange cube is near the blue cylinder. The red pyramid is near the football. The orange cube is close to the blue cylinder. And the red pyramid is far from the orange cube. So near and close to are a short distance. So Paris is near London. Far from means a great distance. So London is far from Sydney. So now you're going to match the sentences to the pictures. Their house is near the school, so they walk every day. That would be picture A. The sun is far from the earth. That would be picture C. And she is sitting close to him. That would be picture B. So where is or where are these things using near, close to, or far from? So we could say Andrew and Sarah are near the water, or they are close to the water. They're also near or close to each other. The fridge is near or close to the oven. And LA is far from Tokyo. We can say far from, and we can also say far away from. So London is far from New Zealand, or we could also say London is far away from New Zealand. Now you'll choose the correct preposition for each sentence. And you can pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. So New York is close to here. It only takes 1 hour by plane. I take the bus to school every day because the school is far from my home. Do you know where I can find a bank near here? Perth is far from Sydney. It takes 3 days to get there by car. Unfortunately, there is no post office near here. The closest one is 5 kilometers away. My office is far from my home. It takes 40 minutes to get there by car. So look at these places. Are they close to or near your home, or are they far away from your home? So think about where you live. Is there a hospital near your home, a bus stop, cinema, museum, park, or police station? All right, we're going to use the near and far from to talk about places in the world. For Brazil is far from Russia. China is near Japan. And Mexico is close to the United States? Now we're going to talk about beyond and past. So the football is beyond the red pyramid, or the football is past the red pyramid. So Indonesia is beyond Australia, or Indonesia is past Australia. Toulouse is beyond the French-Spanish border. Toulouse is past the French-Spanish border. Now you're going to match the sentences to the pictures. If you travel north, York is beyond Sheffield. That would be picture C. York is beyond Sheffield. If you travel west, Istanbul is past Ankara. And his apartment is beyond the park. That would be picture B. So where is the spaceship or the moon? So the spaceship is past the Earth, beyond the Earth. The moon is beyond the Earth. The horse is past the fence, or the fence, actually the fence is past the horse because the horse is inside. And the city is beyond the mountains. Alright, so now use beyond and past to talk about the planets. So you can try that on your own. And then you can talk about each of these pets and where they are in relation to each other. And where are these men in relationship to each other? All right, now you're going to practice completing the sentences. Again, you can pause the video, write down your answers, and then recheck when you're ready to check, or restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. The dog can't get the ball. The ball is beyond the fence. The supermarket is not far from here. You can get there on foot in just 2 minutes. Do you know where I can find a bank near here? I don't see Sarah very much. She moved and now she lives far away from us. Don't sit close to the television. The bus stop isn't far, it's just past the end of the street. That brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.